Now, in medical rounds tonight, the holidays are a time when families get together, and for some adult children who may be returning home after several months to see their senior parents, well, that can often mean change, as parents might not be doing as well as they had thought. Marc Levesque is a senior resource case manager for the Connecticut Center for Healthy Aging, part of Hartford Healthcare, and he's joining us live to tell us about what they do to help families get back on track. Hello, Marc. Nice to have you here tonight.
Hi, good evening.
Well, let me ask you, if adult children come home to find things not quite the same with their family members and they contact the center, what happens first?
Yeah, so we'll go right in and triage their care needs and come up with a game plan. That may be initially pushing them back to their primary care physician to deal with an acute medical problem, or identifying community resources like Meals on Wheels, help with transportation, Lifeline. We'll certainly offer them a home assessment also.
Well, what happens during a home assessment? How long is the process, and what are you looking for?
Yeah, so we'll immediately, with the senior's permission, go out to their home. We're gonna listen, we're gonna investigate, and most importantly, we're gonna explore their needs and really looking at three key areas. One would be safety. Do they take their meds properly? Are they a fall risk? Are they at risk for wandering? Are they a safe driver? Then we look into personal care. Do they need help with dressing, with bathing, or maybe personal hygiene? And then thirdly, we explore their caregiver needs, really with an eye to minimize the chance of caregiver burnout.
What about the situation now that Wyndham Hospital, part of Hartford Healthcare, will now begin to offer expanded services for seniors in the East region to fill a need there? This, I understand, is going to start in January. What happens with that? Give us a preview.
Absolutely. We're very excited about expanding our services into the Eastern Connecticut region. The Center for Healthy Aging at Wyndham Hospital will not only have an on-site resource case manager there, but we'll also have a geriatric behavioral health program as well as a senior-friendly fitness center.
That's wonderful. Marc, we have time for one last quick question, and I'm going to throw this at you, and maybe you can help me with this. What do you do, perhaps, if you have an older parent who doesn't want any help, and clearly you see there's a need? Is there a way to gently suggest help? How do you work around that problem?
I think it is helpful to bring an outside person, whether it be someone from the Center for Healthy Aging or a physician, to enlist their help. And I think it's very important to provide options to the senior, but maybe the status quo is not one of those options. So choose A or B, Mom.
Oh, that's good advice. All right. We thank you so much, Marc, for joining us. It's nice to know that these services exist and can help so many families out there. Now, if you'd like more information, you can call the center at this number, 1-877-424-4641.